Good morning, everyone. My name is Marty, and welcome to my channel. Today, I am participating in a challenge for the month of August called Every Bit Counts Challenge. Now, this challenge is put on by our lovely host, Jessica, from Three Rivers Homestead. So come join me in the kitchen and keep me company. So I gathered from quite a few trees, almost 26 pounds of apples that I'm going to do down into pectin today. Well, I have the outdoor kitchen set up. I have the apples in. Yes, it's really overfilled, but the lid almost fits on. So next time I will pick not as many apples for this batch. It's a very hot day out here, and I'm so grateful that I have this spot that I can plug in my oversized roaster oven for projects like this and keep the heat outside. We had to bring the roaster in because it started to rain later in the day, and it's all ready to put in the cheesecloth bags and hang them to strain the juice out. Well, this is 1, 2, and 3 jelly bags that I have hanging, and I have 2 hanging in the laundry room as well. I ran out of door handle knobs, and now to clean this great tool that I got for $20 on Marketplace. It works really well for these extra large batches of canning items. So I've poured off and filled up 3 bottles with the apple nectar, or the very thick apple syrup that has been dripping. It's incredibly thick. Like, I don't know if you can see the viscosity of it. It's so thick. And now what I'm going to do is what they tell you not to do, because I'm not making jelly with this. I am preserving this so that I have apple pectin throughout the winter as an immune booster. And what I'm going to do is squeeze each of these jelly bags, and I'll get more, probably another 3 to 4 bottles from the 5 bags that I have. Dehydrating a tray of mixed flours in with a bunch of other stuff. 5 more trays into the dehydrator. And mullein leaves. Cutting up our yellow tomatoes from our heaviest tomato challenge. The Dr. Wickies or Wychees or Dr. Wicks. I'm going to go with Dr. Wicks. That's what Google says. Well, I have them cut up, and I'm getting ready to put them in the cast pans into the oven to oven roast them before I put them in the freezer for use later on in the winter. And I think they'll make an amazing soup. 2 huge pots of beautiful yellow tomatoes that are underripe, so obviously they're yellow and green. Looking forward to roasting these and seeing how they taste. Well, thank you very much for joining me in the kitchen today. And a big thank you to Jessica for this wonderful challenge, Every Bit Counts Challenge, which you can jump in and join in if you wish anytime through the month of August, and just use the hashtag and mention the host's name. It really does add up, that little bit that you do each day, a little or a lot. It's the consistency 30 days of consistency that adds up in your pantry. So take care, everyone, and I'll see you tomorrow.